Hello friends, I hope you're having a great day today. What we are going to do is make an airplane. I'm sure some of you already know how because I've taught it once before, but now I'm going to make a video for you so you can do it at home using your own paper. I would not recommend using construction paper because the paper is too heavy and the plane probably won't fly. But if you want to do that, you can. And then you can see which plane flies better if you have different types of paper. So to begin, all you need is one piece of paper. And what you're going to do is fold it hot dog style, which is in half like this. And make sure you keep it as even as possible. And then you're going to crease the sides, just like so. And now, at this point, you should have two rectangles, two long rectangles. And once you've creased it, you open up the paper and have the crease on the inside. And the next thing you're gonna do is take a corner and fold to your line that you just made. And continue to crease it and press down so it's nice and flat. And you'll do it to the other side too. Make sure you don't go past the line and keep it as even as possible. Crease it down. And now you should have two triangles at the top. But we're not done. What you're going to do is fold it again, just like this. Make sure you never go past the line that you created. Because if you go past it, the plane might not come out even and won't fly as well. And so every time you fold, you crease it and make it nice and flat. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. We're gonna do the same thing, just like so. And now you should have two more triangles that look like something like this. Now these aren't your normal triangles, but they still have three sides. See, 1, 2, 3. And once you get to this point, and it's nice and flat, you're gonna take it and pick it up and fold it in half again, like you did the first time when we started. And you're gonna crease it again, make sure everything's nice and flat. And look, you now have one really big triangle. And so once you're here, the next step you're going to do is take it and carefully line it up with the edge of the paper and crease it. So now you should have a little wing, just like this, on one side. And then you'll do the same thing to the other side. Make sure it doesn't go past the paper. Make it nice and flat. And when you open it, it should look like an airplane. But wait, we're not done. We can add a few things to it to make it even cooler. Once you have the wings ready, you can fold them up again to make extra wings. See how I am creasing it in the middle and always folding, not going past the paper? And we're going to take the other side and do the same thing, just like so. And now you have a really cool airplane. And then you can color it and decorate it however you want and write your names on it, maybe a number. And then you can have a race to see whose airplane can go the furthest. Or you can keep folding it and make different airplanes and see what happens. Like I'm bending the nose to make it stronger so it doesn't break when it hits things. See, I'm twisting the nose ever so slowly and making it nice and flat. Now, let's see what happens. You guys ready to see if it flies? All right, let's see if I can get to the window. Ready, go. He almost made it. All right, friends, that's how we make airplanes. I'll see you later. Bye.